Alright, we're back. Electric and Craftsman 12 point should be a 6 point socket. 5/8. Put on kill, torque. Should pull off quickly and easily. What tools are these? Let's turn it the wrong direction. Should not help. Yeah. Not used to these guns. Much better when you do it the right way. That worked a lot better when you go the right direction. Or the left direction. Yeah, I torqued down a little extra. Might be a little longer. Good enough. I'm sure it's like yeah, still got threads in there. No damage. Alright, pulley's off. And get the next bearing. Washer over here somewhere. There we go. Get out of my way. We're going to do this the same thing we did last time, but the other side. Definitely that's in far enough now. And the reason they have those flasks right there is you can hold it while you tighten the nut on this thing. You still got to hold the bolt in the center, which is the Allen. So you still got more stuff to hold. A lot of different things you're doing here. Yep. Okay, that's pretty damn tight. And now that's got some torque on it. All right. Back to the floor again. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the breaker bar. We'll use that for the socket. We'll use this for the holding power. My arm can get under like that and hold it better. Let your whole forearm do the holding, not just your hand. Okay, let's go see how much torque it's going to take to do it this time. Probably still going to take some pretty good torque. If I can use that rug over through it, my knee would be a lot more happier. I brought these from home in case I needed one. Alright, my knee's a lot happier now. Somewhere down there's a hole. Oh, found it. Lost it again. All right. How tight's this one going to be? Actually, put that next to the thigh of my leg over there. Hold it. That works a little bit better. Well, not really. Slides over. Appears to be tight, like the last one. Tight but moving. Come over to help? Yeah, you came over to help, didn't you? There we go. There we go. Power tools now. Crank that sucker. I'm not cold no more. Yeah, about there it's gonna fall off, right there. Oops. Ooh, we got a little more rust on that one. There you go, good boy. All right. Okay. Whew. That is a job and a half doing that. What you doing down there, huh? You come down to help. See all the rust in there. Appears to have a little corrosion going on in there. Got a little CRC over there, help break that up a little bit. There's a hole on there. Alright, most of it out. It's still there, it's just hidden. You can feel it in there. Alright. That bearing's probably got a lot of rust on its OD. It's on the brake side, so somebody's cleaning their bike a lot on the right side of the bike. Okay, that time the nut is tight. That's got to come off. See, we went all the way to one extreme to the other, whole full length. Once again, the nut turns nice and free. There's no transfer of metal, no re-threading pitch angles. It's still probably 3/4 18, or whatever that is. Ain't 3/4. That's, yeah, I don't know what size that is. What size is that damn thing? Probably is 3/4. That's 3/4. I think 18 is fine thread. I forget what number. I think it's 18. 18 threads per inch, in case you don't know what I'm talking about. That's the kind of flange nut you need to buy. A lot of rust in there, see all the corrosion? That one's stuck in there pretty good. That's stuck. Yeah, it's not stuck no more. That was wedged in there good. See, once you release it, it falls right off, see? Bearing's still usable. You don't know how long they're going to live, so pull them out. But you can see a lot of rust in there. Definitely dirty. It'd be nice to knock some of that out. I'm going to get like a little green scrub pad would be nice. I think I see one up over there too. I think I can see it right there next to that fence material up there on that shelf. Yep, there we go. He comes well stocked. Look at that. Brand new too. And I think the red is more aggressive than green, if I recall. I don't remember. Okay, we want to just knock out this corrosion in here. We don't want to take metal out, we just want to get the corrosion out. Corrosion is not good, and it makes it tighter. But it's not good either. Okay, we just take this and put a little CRC rod in here. Like that. Stand it up, a little bit easier to work on it. Just go like that. Doesn't take much. Oh yeah, took it right out. Boom. She's gone. Okay. No rust? Or rust. Took it right out nice and cleanly. Took very little effort. See it already building up on the surface. So you can take this and cut this in little 1-inch strips with a pair of scissors. You know, junk pair, because it's going to wear them out doing that. But anyway, you can do that, and that'll. Now you don't have the whole damn pad getting dirty. You just need a little 1-inch piece is all you needed. Okay, that worked really well. So I'm going to go ahead and take it around to the next bad area. Same deal, a little CRC in there. Don't get too carried away, just take out what needs to be taken out. You can actually feel it get smoother, that means you got it out, so. Looks good. I think I got it all. Pretty good. I think this side was clean. Yeah, this had a little bit on this side too, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. Takes a couple minutes to do it, so no big deal. I'm not trying to do a lot, just get the junk out. Okay, it's heavy. All right, so it looks nice and clean. Cardboard looks really good. There you go. Nice and clean, all the wheels are out, all the grits out. Looks nice. Good to go. All right, let me get some more tools and we'll be back.